Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hackett. We're coming to you from Cruisers Yacht, and we're right here at the 50 GLS. This thing is eye-popping. Ice cave blue gel coat right here. So much going on this boat. What you need to do is step on board with me and see what she's all about. This hot looking number is 52 feet 4 inches and 14 feet 6 inches wide. A lot of beam going on here. But guess what? We get to 20 feet of beam because we have twin beach platforms on this thing. So when you open it up, the party can start. And then in the back, we have 57 miles an hour provided by Mercury Verado V12 600s. Giddy up and go. And the best part about these engines, because they don't turn above the water, we can extend the platform and get around them super safe. Hey, what can I say? This is one fine looking boat. Look at the sense of beam. This is luxury right here. Space is luxury. So I have two aft-facing lounge areas that doubles as a seat, and then I have a forward-facing seat. In addition to that, there's two ottomans that you can move anywhere in the grouping along with the table. I got shade overhead, so we have protection from the sun. And on the back end, we have a twin Kenyan grill setup. As much fish as you can catch, we can throw on the grill. This boat is really open and there's so much space. It continues on here into the salon area. Again, we have an L-shaped seat on one side, then we have our bar galley set up over here with plenty of refrigeration, fresh water. You can catch the game on the TV. An oversized hardtop with speakers everywhere. You can thump, thump, thump the night away and dance the night away because we have plenty of room out here on the dance floor. So I have a triple Simrad display, so I get my chart if you're looking for fish, controlling the ship, all your system sounds, light, pumps, whatever you got to do, you can do it right here at hand, air conditioning. And then of course I have my chart plotter. Great visibility up here. I have my Mercury controls, my Mercury skyhook, and then overhead what I have is this electrically actuated sunroof, which opens this thing up so we can get fresh air in here and everybody can enjoy that beautiful fresh air and sunshine. Safety is the #1 issue on any boat, and check out how high the freeboard is up here, and I have a lot of space to walk up with this asymmetrical design, which gives me more room up here in the bow. U-shaped seating, beautifully detailed, catch the sun all day long, relax, do what you got to do in the sun. And when the sun gets too much, you can step down below in comfort. We got air conditioning up there, but the air conditioning is full on down below. So you can spend the night on the hook. In the aft end, we have a beautiful full beam. Spend the night there, super comfortable. It's like a king size bed back there. And then forward, we have a nice V berth, lots of space on the side, well-appointed head. And again, if you need to cook a little something down here, you can. Microwave, refrigerator, everything you need for a night out on the hook, including another TV. Who knew? When you first step on board this boat, you notice the aft end. It's so spacious. It's a great day boat, but really it is so much more. With the cabins down below, you got 600 gallons of fuel, so you can go for a long passage. So much going on for this boat. You need to see it in person. You need to touch the finishes, see the upholstery, and see the luxury and space for yourself, and take it for a sea trial.